Hello, Matt the Plumber here today to talk about water heater maintenance. First, I want to talk about these two heaters we took out today. We took these two heaters out. They were working in a series situation. So when they're piped in series, one heater acts as the main heater, and then on the hot side of this, it would go into the cold side of the next heater. So one heater would be doing all the work, and that is why you should not pipe in series. What happens is, in a heavy use situation, a lot of condensation can form and cause the first heater to rust and corrode prematurely. That is definitely not the way you want to go. The alternative, like over here, what we did today, is piping in parallel. Both heaters here are drawing together. We built a manifold, and in the manifold, all the pipes have to be equal sized and the equal number of fittings on both sides, which we have here. Therefore, the heaters will draw at the same time together, and they wear more efficiently that way. So a little bit on the maintenance end, when you have water heaters, what you want to do yearly is you want to be able to shut the heaters down. There should be a valve on the cold side. It should be a lever style like this. These are the proper valves to have. So we're going to turn these off here. What we would do, and then we would turn around at that point and we would open up the bottoms here, connect the hose to it, to a drain nearby, open them up, and get them to drain out completely. After they're done draining, it may take about 30-40 minutes. You can pop this on, and this will help rinse out some of this debris that might be in the bottom of the tank. Doing this annually will help cut down on the debris that will be in the bottom. So after you're all done doing that, you want to turn these valves back on, close the bottom, take your hose off the water, and open up a hot on a sink nearby, and that'll help bleed the air out of it. And then the heaters will fill back up. There's some questions about this valve that is on the side of the heater, and people say you should periodically open it up. That is a bad idea. If you open that up, that spring inside there and the rubber will never fit right again, and they have a tendency to just never stop leaking at that point. If you see one of these on your heater, it is doing its job, just leave it alone. It's when you don't have one that is a problem, and that is when you want to contact a professional. So for any more tips like these on water heaters, or if you need a water heater installed, look us up on the web at foxvalleyplumbing.com.